Welcome everyone to a new detailing video at Masters Auto Cleaners Detailing YouTube channel. Today we have a disaster detailing for you. You're up for an insane transformation. So make sure you like our video and make sure you subscribe to our channel. And most importantly, make sure you enjoy the satisfying cleaning video. So today we are detailing an extremely dirty 2011 BMW X6 3M. This car has an extremely dirty, a very dirty exterior and interior, and this car belongs to a repeat customer of ours who lives in the countryside, and I always love it when I come to work in the countryside. The nature, the mountains are my favorite destinations when it comes to vacation, and especially summer vacations. So I'm curious to know, what's your preferred destination for vacation? Are you a beach person or are you a nature person like myself? I'm very curious to know, so leave us your answers in the comment section. And the first thing, we will start with this extreme interior and exterior detailing. First, we will start with an exterior water rinse. We will also clean the tires and the rims using a few brushes, and we'll apply a 2-bucket hand wash all over the exterior paint before moving for the interior detailing. This car has a lot of dust and has a lot of debris, probably from driving off-road, because we live in the countryside about 20 minutes from the smallest city, the nearest city, which is called Olds, which is about 80 kilometers north of Calgary. So make sure you enjoy the video, make sure you watch the video until the end. This is an insane transformation. We were really curious about the transformation and the outcome of this deep interior and exterior detailing, and the result is really amazing. So make sure you watch the video until the end and make sure you enjoy it. So after we finish the car exterior hand wash, we will dry the car exterior using very soft and clean microfiber towels. It's big, yeah?
It is big.
You have a gun? Is that it?
I don't know.
Yeah. So now we'll start the Jeep interior cleaning. So the first thing, we will remove the garbage, we'll remove the customer's items, and then we'll apply a deep interior vacuuming. After we finish vacuuming the carpet, the seats, the center console, the dashboard using very soft brushes, and also the doors interiors and the steps and the seat sides, we will apply an FVP to clean the vinyl and the plastic interior. And after that, we'll apply a giant leather cleaner to clean the leather seats. And after that, we'll move on for carpet shampooing and extraction. So after we finished cleaning the leather interior and the vinyl interior and the plastic interior, we will now apply a deep interior shampooing and extraction for the carpet. So we use 3D shampooing product and we use B-Cell spot clean for extraction. And now we have arrived to the end of this extreme interior and exterior car detailing of the super dirty 2011 BMW X6 3M. I hope you guys have enjoyed our car detailing video. Don't forget to like, comment and share our content. And if you are watching for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We post amazing detailing videos every Saturday at 9 AM Eastern. Thank you very much everyone for watching. Have a nice day.